Hi, sixth graders. So we're going to take our writing from last week, our living history project, and we're going to turn that into a memoir. That will be our ultimate goal for this project. We're going to collect a couple more journal entries. So today I just want to introduce what a memoir is to you. I'll give you an example of actually one of my favorite authors, Patricia Polacco, has a ton of personal narratives and memoirs that she has written, and I'll link one if you're interested in that. So a memoir is basically a piece of writing that tells some kind of historical event from your personal experiences. Each of you are going to tell of this historical event, and what I'm talking about is right now living through the quarantine, this coronavirus pandemic, but through your own experiences. One thing I noticed last week is that with a lot of your journal entries, things I was reading, it was very general, like people are doing this, but not necessarily this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm going through. So the journal entries from this week are going to focus a lot more on you specifically, what you are going through and the experiences that you're living with. I did have a couple people that gave me some examples of personal things that are going on in their lives. I just want to expand that and make sure everybody has the opportunity to do that. Okay, so I will provide those journal entries for you, and we're going to use a couple different ways to storytell that, kind of like what we've already been doing. So we're going to be using technology to create our memoirs, not paper. You'll be able to add pictures, videos, anything that you want to your document. It is still a writing assignment, so we're still going to focus on the writing piece and bringing in your ideas and your thinking into it. So every time we work on this, you'll be given a writing prompt, and then you're going to get a chance to write. So I would like you guys to use today to go through and create a pages document. I don't have pages on mine, so I'm going to go through probably Google Slides. And then basically it's almost the same. You can still add the pictures and you can still kind of build it day by day. So today your job is to set up a new document and title it Memoir 2020 or Mrs. Moorhead's Memoir or whatever it is. Obviously you would use her name, not mine. That way you can find it. That way it's not just blank dot pages and you're struggling to figure out which one it is. So name it, and then I want you to go through and kind of read through what you wrote last week and see if there's anything in there that you think would make a good introduction, anything that you would like to add. And then we'll continue to build on these memoirs over the next few weeks.